Ever wanted to create voices just like mine or even clone your own? Let me show you how with F50TS.
Yep, you heard that right. That was Elon Musk. In the next few minutes, I will show you how you can set up your own locally running F5 TTS to basically synthesize any kind of voice you like. First, we need Anaconda. It's a Python distribution that makes managing Python environments really easy. I used it a lot during my studies and different projects. So just head to their website and download the version you like. I'm using Anaconda, but Miniconda works too if you want something lighter. Once installed, open your terminal and create a new environment. For that, just type in conda create -n f5. In this case, we will use Python 3.10. Hit enter and Conda will create an environment for you. Then activate the environment by typing in conda activate F5. Now let's grab the F5 TTS repository from GitHub by clicking on the green code button and selecting download zip. Next, extract it into a folder of your choice. Usually we use Git to clone the repository directly, but since we are just working with this repository, downloading the zip works also fine. Once extracted, open the terminal in that folder. Next, we need to install Torch so F5 TTS can leverage your GPU, and then just install the rest of the requirements. Just follow the steps on GitHub and you will be fine. Now that the hard part's done, let's launch the user interface. In the terminal, make sure you activated the F5 environment and that you are in the same folder where you extracted the repository. Paste or type in python space radio_app.py and hit enter. This will start the user interface on localhost port 7680. Copy paste that link and open it in your web browser. Alright, now we can upload any audio file, enter the text we want to synthesize and just hit synthesize. For example, I uploaded an audio file from Elon Musk, so let me show you. Here's the original voice.
Now, if we have a third layer, which is the AI extension of yourself, that is also symbiotic. And there's enough bandwidth between the cortex and the AI extension of yourself.
As you can see, here's the text. And here's the synthesized voice.
Hey, ever wanted to create voices just like mine or even clone your own? Let me show you how with F50TS.
Pretty amazing, right? For just a 15-second audio clip, it's amazing how good it is. So there you have it. Now you know how to synthesize voices for free locally on your PC without paying a dime. Thanks for watching, stay smart and follow for more tech tips.